Hey everybody, it's Dan with Feldmann Imports, and today we have a 2020 Mercedes-Benz GLE 350 4MATIC. This vehicle for sale comes in a blue exterior, and we have a brown interior. Sunroof, blind spot assist. Nice wood grain accent trim throughout the vehicle here. Also have heated seats for driver and passenger and memory seats here on the driver's side. This vehicle is also equipped with the premium Burmester sound system upgrade. Driver's seat with lumbar support. Steering wheel. Rear seats. Quick look up front. Coming around to the back, we've got our GLE 350, Mercedes-Benz, and 4MATIC badging. Power opening and closing trunk. Push button to close. And hopping inside the vehicle, mileage currently at 30,494. We have a push button ignition. And here we have our touchscreen display, currently showing navigation, radio, and backup camera. Below that is climate control. Also have a wireless charging pad for a cell phone, cup holders, command module for making adjustments on the display, and our shifter. And if you're interested in this vehicle, just reach out to us on our website, feldmannimports.com.